Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Welcome to my favorite place. This is my little greenhouse and I have started my little seedlings. This is one of the cell trays that I'm using. This is by Adawook and it comes as a complete set. It has everything you need. So you get this beautiful cover to keep all your nice humidity in. Look at all that humidity it's kept in. And it also has the vents on the top, so as you need air to circulate in there, it's easy to move. Nice little handle. Here are my little seedlings. So I started my peppers and my tomatoes, which need to be a little bit on the warm side. So it comes with a heat pad, so I have that inside, and it keeps them at a very constant temperature. You have 40 cells in this, so you can grow 40 plants, and then it has this nice tray so that when you're watering, it doesn't make a mess. So super exciting. Nothing makes me happier than a bunch of little seedlings, seeing everything sprout. Really impressed. I've never used heat pads before, and my seeds started sprouting in about 4 days, which is incredible for tomatoes and peppers. So really happy with the results. Also comes with a set of labels, and it comes with 2 little tools. Super nice, especially to be able to plant the seeds. You can just pop that down in each of the cells and plant your seed. If you're overly eager like me to get some seeds started to get through this last few weeks of winter, this little set is super nice, has everything you need to get you started. You can start indoors and keep your little seedlings nice and warm. And that is my point of view.